trains gone. Yeah, there's like 2 NRs and one of those 4s or whatever they call them.
Customers on platform 3 is being now right platform 3 to 1141. Right, first year service. Any customers on platform 3. Train now arriving on platform 3 is a Penrith Flat right first year service.
Jump on T65 here. Done a few vlogs on this set already. It's got the trial gangways. Nice and cooler in here. Show you the gangways inside. Hopefully all Tangaras probably have these eventually. Replace the old clunking ones that make loud noises when they're going over bumps. Same again. I've showed you through this set a couple of times before. Thought I'd do a bit of a refresh on the Tangara set. Just at Hornsby, this is a Penrith service. It's downstairs again. And that's just the end of your car there where the driver and guard sits. This is a controller trailer car. And this is the motor car on a Tangara. This Oscar set's now departing. I'm not sure exactly where it came from.
Please stand clear.
Page 30 is the rear half. Now this train's now departing. Wrap up the vlog. It's only going to be a fairly short vlog. as it's the only set that's got different gangways from the rest. They're similar to your 4th generation sets. Tangara is a 3rd generation trains or rolling stock